Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video, we are going to see Selenium code hands-on. So most of you have having a doubt like the code is not running and all after seeing the video again. So I am just creating this another video where we can see the live demo of the code. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So for this one, first we will see the problem statement. So we have to open this folder in the desktop. Okay, we have to click on this folder, and inside this one you can see here problem statement. So you have to click on this one. Okay, so it will take some time to open, but yeah, keep calm. Now Visual Studio we require to write our code. Okay, so we will click on this Visual Studio code. So it will open. We have to wait till okay. Now you can see Visual Studio and problem statement both are open simultaneously. Okay, now so first we will see the problem statement. Okay, and then we will start our code writing our code. Okay, so in this channel we have to use Selenium web driver tool to validate the various functionalities. Okay, so for this is the web application, so right click on this one and open a new tab. Okay, so we can see this app. Okay, now same questions we have. Okay, I don't know like why the error is coming, we'll check it now, but yeah, the question is same. We have to select euro first. Okay, and then we have to convert it to convert the amount. This amount we have to give, and this amount we have to convert in the USD dollar. So this is the first step. Okay, I will show you how. So if you go to the Visual Studio, okay, just close this welcome message, click on this folder, open folder. We have to click on desktop, then we have to click on project, and we have to open this one. Okay, Wings mock Selenium, open this one, and for all this folder we have to click here as a open. Okay, now we have opened this all. Yeah, we have to select yes. Okay, now we have to go to Java code, src, and then we have to click on the Selenium test. Till now I know most of you already know. Okay, install it. Whatever installation is coming, just install it because it will help you to write your code more efficiently. Okay, so this is a before class. Okay, before class, the function of this before class is like it will run. Okay, it will run before. Okay, after any test case it will run before. So like definitely we have to launch our browser, and then we have to launch this URL also. So this should be run first before writing our test case. Okay, so yeah, this will already handled by the TCS. So now no need to worry about this one. Now okay, accept this one. Okay, after class means like once you completed your test, then this function this class will work. This method, you can say this method, it will work. And the method is saying like driver.close. It means it will close the browser. Okay, so no need to worry about these things. Okay, directly we have to jump into this line, and then we have to write our code. Okay, so this is the two test cases what they are asked us to write. So let's see the problem statement again. So this is step 1 for this one. Okay, and step 2, 1 minute, yeah, and the step 2 for this step. Okay, so first we will write one by one. Okay, go to the problem statement. What is the first step? First step saying like we have to choose euro. Okay, and then we have to click on the convert form. Okay, yes. Okay, and then we have to give this value, and then we have to convert it to US dollar, and then we have to get the amount and assert it. Okay, this is the functionality they are asking us to do. So go to the web page. Okay, so we have to select euro. Okay, so the index will start from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. So third is the index of euro. We have to give 795 here. Okay, now we have to convert, click on this convert form, and then we have to click on this US dollar, and then this text we have to grab or assert. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for this one, like first I will refresh it. Okay, so that we will get the initial stage. Okay, now Control Shift I. Okay, so first see, this is a drop down. Okay, so drop down we can directly select this one. So for this one we have to use a select class. You already know these things. If no, you are new to the Selenium, then I will suggest like there is a playlist of Selenium where I have taught the basic commands, or we can say the basic lectures which you'll require to do this hands-on. So first go and try those. Okay, and then come to this hands-on part. Okay, now select, I will give dp as a object I am creating, equals to new select. You can give dp or anything else. Okay, and inside this one I will pass our web driver. Sorry, we will pass our web element driver dot find element. Okay, by dot, we have to see like to which web element we have to locate this element. Okay, so if we have to select here, okay, once we click here, so we are getting id. So just right click copy it. So we have id, so by dot id, and then we will pass our id value here. Okay, now dp. So for this, from the subject we will select our desired text. So dp dot select. Okay, we have select by index, select by value, select by visible text, whatever you want to select you can select. So this time I'm going with this index. dp dot select by index, it will start from 0, but we have to select euro, right? So euro is at third position, so we have to go with index 3. Okay, so we have selected this one, sorry, this one. Okay, we will give time also, like thread dot slip, and then 2 seconds. It will take in given this capital. Okay, now fine. Now what we have to do, go there. Now we have to inspect this one so that we can send our amount. So for this also we have id, given amount is id. Okay, so copy this one. This time also we will use id only. So driver, not in caps, driver dot find element, okay, by dot id. Okay, and then in this one we have to paste this one and dot send keys. Okay, what amount we have to send is 795. Okay, we did this 2 line. Okay, 795 rotation. Now we have to click the USD dollar. Okay, now again okay, so again we have to use the same class. Okay, object we will give different. I will give dp1 this time. Okay, now go there. If you go there the website, so you can see this is a convert to. Okay, now because if you see the problem statement now, so it is asking us to click on the convert to. From first we have clicked on convert from, now we have to click on convert to. So this one we have to select, and here we have to select US dollar. Okay, the same thing, that's why. And if you see the id of this one, so the same. Okay, currency to find, this is the different, no problem. So what we will do, we will just copy this one. Okay, so let me copy this one. Click copy, go there. Okay, dp1, not from here. Okay, dp1 dot, okay, select by index. Okay, it will start from 0. Let's see where USD dollar are. It's 0 1 position, so give it 1. Okay, okay, now what we have to do, we have to choose US dollar that did and get that calculated amount. Okay, we have to get the calculated amount there. Okay, so go there. So once we write 795 in euro, so in dollar it will be some 848 points. So we have to grab this text, so click here. Okay, we have id also for this one. Okay, so we will go this id only, copy. Okay, now we have to write driver dot find element, okay, by dot id, and then we will give this value. Okay, and then we will write one command, get text. Get text will give you the text of the web element, particular web element, and we will store it in string, and then we will give amount. Any text you can, any variable you can give. Okay, and we have to assert it, right? So assert dot assert equals, okay, this is the actual what we are giving, now expecting will be go there, just copy this one and pass here. Okay, save it. So first we did, okay, first step we did. Now what is the second step? Choose the okay, now again the same thing we have to do. Okay, nothing else. So just go there, only amount we have to change. So now we will come to this function. Okay, and now here we have to write the command. Okay, so I will copy this select again, because I think this will be a same for this one as well. Okay, paste here. Okay, what is the statement we will see first. So what we have to do in this second step, we have to choose INR from the convert form. Okay, so select statement will be same only because the same ID we are following. Now this time we have to select Indian rupee, and then with this amount we have to send. So copy this one, go there. So we have to write, give any, you can give DP also, but yeah, but for better clarification I will give 2. See, DP, DP1, DP2, like this way we will do. Okay, DP2. Now DP2 dot, okay, select by index we will go. I am choosing 0 because the problem statement saying we have to go choose the Indian rupee. So if you see the website, so I will refresh it again. So you can see Indian rupee is already selected. It means it is present as 0 index only. Okay, so we are not going to change this one now. Now what we have to do, we have to send some amount, right? I already copied this amount, so I will paste here. Okay, this amount we have to send, but where we have to send? So we have to send in this line. Okay, so copy the same thing. You can give thread.slip as well. Let me copy that thing also. Okay, same amount. What amount is different? Index is same. I mean web element is same. Okay. So paste this one. Just make sure it will be double quotes. Okay, don't copy the line. Okay, it should be inside the double quotes and this one, because if I copy this one, so you can see here it shows like double quote, but this is not double quote. Okay, so directly write double quotes and give the amount. Now what we have to do? So if we give 67567, okay, and what we have to select in the next one? So we have to select, we have to select, okay, we have to choose euro. Okay, we have to choose euro, so go there. Okay, so euro you already know, it will be in the third index 0 1 2 3. So we will go to the code again. We will, okay, so third index. Okay, so this time if you see here, okay, so this is the second one, right? This is the second one. So if you see here, so it will show us like a this one, currency to find. Okay, so we have to copy this one, currency to find. Okay, this time we have given both, right? That's why this is wrong, right, bro? We have to do currency to find here. Okay, so copy this one, currency to find. Okay, first one given currency, and then second one we have to give currency to find. Okay, fine. Just copy this one, paste here. Okay, again we have to go there. This time we have to select currency to find. I hope you are getting this one. Actually, from this one, from the first drop down we are selecting Indian rupees, and then from the second drop down, okay, we are sending this value, and from the second drop down we are converting it to the US dollar. That's why this were two different drop down we have. Okay, now dp2 dot select by index, and this time we will pass 3. Okay, because we have to select the euro 3. Now okay, euro selected. Okay, and choose the previous date from the given date and calculate the value from the convert to text field. Choose the previous date from the current date. Okay, go there. Okay, go to the app. Okay, and the previous date. Okay, they are asking us to click on the previous date. Okay, so you can do one thing. You can try, but without writing this one also the code will pass. But yeah, let's give a try. So you have to click here. Okay, you have to click here. So okay, I will show you later. Okay, we have a time now, so let's first run the script. Okay, if you have a time, then we will give this one. Okay, so this is the complete one. Okay, this is the complete one. But yeah, here we have to check one more thing, because now see again we are writing, right? Just see one thing. We have selected the first euro. We have given some value 795. Okay, then we have selected euro, right? So you can see here the value is already present. Okay, select this euro and select this dollar, anything. So you can see this one is already present. Okay, so if you want to try again, so we have to first remove this value. Getting me? First time when you write this one, so that is fine. Okay, but the second time when they are asking again to give in the second test, so you can see the page is not refreshing. If you refresh the page, then it is fine, but we are not refreshing the page. We have to select the some different value. Okay, but this value should be there only because it's working for the 795 only. Okay, but this time we have to give the second value, so we have to clear this one. So what we have to do now, just simple command. Yeah, this is the value where we are giving, right? So copy this one and just write for the second step, just write dot clear. Okay, so that it will clear the value. Okay, you can write here also, not required, but yeah, for better purpose you can write there also as well. Okay, now save it. Now all our code is correct. Now we have to run it. Okay, so terminal directly we can run. Okay, so let's see how to run. Okay, I will show you from the scratch. So let's see how to run. Okay, so saying to run, we have to write sh run.sh, and for test sh test.sh. Okay, so go there. We have to open terminal, new terminal. Okay, you have to see the path. The path is Wings1 mock selenium. Okay, Wings1 mock selenium. Okay, inside this we have to go to the Java code. So we have to write cd Java code. Okay, now we are in Java code, and in this Java code only we have this folder and this values. So we can directly now we can run it. So sh run.sh. It will take some time to run. Okay, we have some error. We will figure out what is the error. Okay, so error you can see here. So it's saying variable dp2 is already defined because we have used the same dp2. So we have to make it dp3. Okay, dp3, and here also dp3. Okay, now save it and run it again. Okay, so for to run again, we have to go with the sh run.sh command. So running. Okay, euro. Okay, this value. Okay, we have some error again. Let's see. One failure. Okay, expected this value but found this value because due to the the command wait command only, because it is going very fast. Okay, so what we will do now, we will use this command many times. So copy this one. Okay, given currency, we have selected 3, then this one, then after this one also now just keep some seconds. Okay, again we have to assert this value. Okay, so after this one also, just keep some comment space. This one also fine. After giving the value, just keep some time. Okay, okay, here we are not asserting it. Let's see. Okay, problem statement we have to go in the second step. Okay, in the second step we have to text field. Okay, no problem, this is fine. Now save it and run it again. Why is issue coming now? Because we have to give some weight to the selenium command, right? That's why it is giving some issue to us. The code is correct only. Euro, we have to find the value, then we have to select the euro. Now fancy, we have some weight. Now again USD, then we have to give some this value. Okay, then USD this value. Now it should pass, but again failure. Why? Expected 845.45, but found this one empty, found it is saying. Okay, so we will use this here as well. Save it. Now give a try again. Okay, we have to see the step like where it is failing, and then we have to work accordingly. Okay, let one more try. Okay, euro first we have to select, then we have to give amount 795. Okay, Indian rupee, now we have to select euro, then this value we have to pick out. Okay, again we have to Indian rupees. Okay, working fine. What found this one? What we will do now, we will print this one. Let's see. Okay, print amount. Let's run it again. We are checking like what amount it is getting from the get text. Okay, that's why then it will match now. That's why. Let's check once again what value we are getting. Hi, yeah, I got it the issue. So got the issue. So actually, what happens if you see here? So we have written the command, right? Amount is this amount. Okay, I have added this string as well so that we can locate our value. So if you see here, so it is saying amount is empty. Why empty now? Because we have used this one get text, right? We have used this get text. But if you go to the inspect part, okay, this value we have to get, right? Like suppose click on this way. So we are getting id equals to result. So web element we have, but this value it is not showing here in the web page. Okay, that's why we want to use get text. Get text only we can use for this one, like this convert to, okay, this INR Indian rupee. So for this one get text will work, but because we don't have any get text, we don't have any text here, text like this type of text, okay, inside this angular bracket text not there. That's why it is choosing a selecting a blank only. Okay, so what we have to do, we are just printing this value. Okay, this is fine, just print this one, but we have to comment out this one assertion, we have to comment out. Okay, because if we use assertion it won't work. Okay, now save it. Okay, give a try again. They ask us to assert it, but the value is not in the web element itself, so we can't do it, right? Okay, now you can see two test cases, both are passing now. So got the point. We can't use this one. Okay, we can't use this one. Okay, now okay, so two test cases passed. Let me run it again. Let me test it again. Sh test.sh to ensure like it is working fine. It will take some time. Okay, so just keep calm. Okay, now you can see all we have 10 test cases and all the test cases are passing. Okay, so till now also you can submit your assessment, it will pass you. Okay, it's not like it will not fail you. But yeah, if you want to know this point also, let's try. I'm also not sure, but yeah, let's try. So what they are saying, we have to choose the previous date what is showing here. Okay, if you see the problem statement, so it is saying the calculate value from the convert to okay, now choose the previous date. Okay, from the current date we have to choose it. Okay, so just do this one, just try this one. Okay, so like once we click here, so one pop-up will come, right? One pop-up will come. Okay, so because it is coming for me it coming 9, for you it may come some another, right? So you have to select this one. So either you can go either you can select this one, or let's try once again. I'm not sure this will work or not. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to select this ID. Okay, so copy this one, go there. Okay, and the last step, yeah, this is the last step. What we will do, we will write like driver dot driver dot find element, okay, by dot id, and then we have to give this value, and we have to choose the previous date, right? So if you see here carefully, so you will get like it is showing the current day. Okay, so today is like today's date only, so 8th of September it is showing. So you have to select one day before. So what you can do, you can directly give dot send keys. Okay, send keys, you can directly pass the previous date. So just see the format. The format is first month. Okay, so month will be 09, then slash, then 09 0 which date this way, yeah, 08 na, so we have to select 07, sorry, we have to select 07 slash, and then 2024 are here 2024. Okay, so this one you can also write once. Let's try it. Running or not. So I'm directly running, I am directly testing it as test.ss command. Okay, I think we are getting some error. Y, okay, y will be small. Okay, y will be small. Save it. Now run it again or test it again. It is running. Amount, again you can see amount is this one. Okay, now it is passing. Okay, so